I'm not the assistant.
And you are the trouble of the chef today.
No.
That's why you are.
No.
Anyway,
Intro the vlog because I didn't intro it.
good morning, good afternoon, and good night, guys. This is a brand new day. This is Sunday, and Sunday, what we do? We stay at home and cook
And eat.
and eat
And do nothing else.
and do nothing else. Well, we can't do nothing else. It's kind of shut down everywhere, so we're staying home. The kids are good. The kids are giving
Being
trouble.
kids.
Usually being kids. Wife is so on nose and she feels sick. And me, I'm very so
This
too.
allergy is really having me sneezing. If it continues, I'm going to the doctor. That's a fact.
She'll be fine. She'll be fine. Hopefully. Anyway, guys, we are Sunday. We're gonna do something special today. We're gonna cook.
Babe, I have the floor today.
Oh, I tried. This one is not. I'm not as confident as the last one. It's one of the first time I tried. I think we tried once in the past and it was a fail.
Really?
I think so. I think it was a fail. So
When we were living in the van?
maybe a long time ago we tried and it was a fail. I'm almost sure about it. So we're gonna try and make it a fail today.
All right, today I am not partaking.
Shit.
Since I want the French touch, so I'm not partaking. I'm just gonna assist and give him what he needs to see if we can get that real French hand in there. So
Yeah.
tell him what's the name of it.
So we're gonna do escalope à la crème with
Escalope
mushroom
à la crème.
and
Wait, question. Escalope, where it comes from? Is that special part of a type
yeah,
of
it can be.
meat?
Yeah, it's a type of meat. It can be. It can be different. It can be chicken. It can be. How you call the baby or the cow? Calf.
Calf, yeah.
Calf. It can be.
Okay, but this is what we're using.
This is calf.
Let me show them.
But
Oh,
it can
this
be.
is calf?
Yeah, escalope is a special part of.
Sorry, let me show
So it's like meat.
Escalope cream.
Escalope. Okay, so this is the meat that baby using.
Right. So
all
we're gonna do
right.
that. I have some mushrooms here to make the sauce.
Okay.
I have some
Milk.
creme fraiche to do it too. That's the only
Okay.
one we have here.
Okay.
We have some black pepper, some salt. So
Okay.
yeah. What we're gonna do because we are 4 and the pot is not big enough for 4. We're gonna cook the meat 2 by 2, and we're gonna do the sauce on the side. So it's normally it's very simple, easy to do. So we are gonna put the butter, cook the meat very fast. It's slim, so it will be fast to cook. And then we're gonna cook the mushroom, start to cook the mushroom, and we're gonna add the cream at the end.
All right. So as you go along, you'll tell them what you're doing. So first you need to turn on the stove, no?
Yes, you need to stir also. I believe you already did that.
No, you're the chef. I'm not cooking. It's you cooking,
You
sir.
assist me.
Yeah, but you just
Where's
need
the
to-
spoon?
What kind of chef this? The spoon here. Hey.
To
What kind of chef this? We don't understand it. What amount of butter you
Just
want?
to-
Chef, is you cooking. That's enough or too much?
It's too much.
Okay, so put back where you don't want. Let me go up close so you guys can get a better look of what he's doing. All right, that look good. All right, so you put it butter in the pot, and in the meantime, I'm also cooking some potato over here for the kids and some broccoli for me. Baby's gonna have this with fries because he said best go with fries or rice.
Because
right?
of the sauce, I like to do with something that using the sauce. So
Sarah, come to mama. Come here.
just now I'm gonna put the butter at the back.
Let Sarah say hello to the kids.
Mom, I want to do something. I don't just want to look. I want to do something.
Yeah, but Papa soon tell you what to do if there's anything for you to do. I'm not doing anything either. I'm just looking. So,
I think
babe,
I put a little bit much of butter.
a little bit too much butter. You still have a chance to take out the piece that's not melt. Put it back in here.
How do you do?
Just throw it in there. So you can take it out and use it when you're going for the other two.
Right.
So you melt the butter, however the pot is not heated properly, so that's why the butter looks like that. No, leave it on there until it heats properly.
So then I'm just gonna roast cook the 2x2. So I'm gonna take the biggest one and the smallest one and the two others too.
But don't you need to do something to them before you put them in the pot?
No.
Aren't you adding salt and pepper to them?
No, we do it when they are inside the pot.
Oh.
That's how you do it. Oh, you always do it when they're here?
Do you, boo? Do you?
Mama, there's nothing for me.
Tyler, please.
So I'm gonna put the two.
Your pot not hot. So why are you putting them in a cold
That's
pot?
okay.
Okay. Tell them what you're doing.
So I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it now, and this type of meat won't take long to cook. So yeah, I'm just cooking now. Gonna add the pepper. Gonna add the salt on it. Once I turn it, after when I finish it, I'm gonna put them on the side, and I'm gonna do the sauce. So yeah, I'll see you guys in.
So you're waiting to put it on the opposite side first before you add the pepper and the salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna make it roast both sides. I'm gonna add the pepper and the salt.
So he's adding more pepper and salt on the opposite side.
Yeah, I do it in both sides.
Okay, so one side cook for like 2 minutes and then you flip it over on the other side. Okay, so you're not cooking them too much. Just slightly, right?
Right.
Okay.
You can see that this one is bigger
Uh-huh.
than this one. This one roasting faster.
Okay, so as soon as they have little brown, you're taking it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have two nice ones. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more butter
Okay, and do the other two?
and do the other two.
Okay, so now the meat finished cooking, right?
So now we finish cooking the meat.
Okay.
And we're gonna start to cook the mushroom. I'm gonna put the meat maybe at the end just to make them on the salt or not. Maybe they just cook like this. That's it.
You want the flame on that level that it's on now?
Yeah, I don't want it too high.
No, I mean you don't want it lower because it look high.
Yeah, but you is on 4, right?
Yeah.
You can put it on 3. Put it on 3. I'm gonna put as the mushroom. I have a good amount.
So now he's adding mushroom.
I can put all of them. So now I'm gonna cook the mushroom.
Okay, so you're not adding no salt or pepper to this? No? Okay.
No, but I'm gonna add the salt and the pepper when
You put the liquid?
after I put the liquid.
Okay.
Ok, attends, je crois que je...
C'est juste pour pas que tu fais ça pour pas qu'il colle.
Là, je suis en train de faire rien.
D'accord?
Hold on to the pot. Hold it strong. Now mix.
Mais là, je suis en train de le faire.
Tu veux verser? Tu verses tout doucement et tu fais attention, d'accord? So guys, once the mushroom looks ready, we're just gonna add the crème fraîche, heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
Papa,
Allez,
donne-moi
doucement.
quand.
Doucement, voilà. Allez, verse tout, verse tout.
Make sure your stove turn down.
Yeah, put it on tout.
Go ahead, Ty.
Allez, verse tout.
Yes.
Keep the bottle over the pot, Ty.
Okay,
Okay, so now what?
So now we're just gonna wait.
You add nothing to it.
No, we're gonna add some salt and some pepper.
Okay.
Now we're just mixing and soon gonna be ready. So what we can do, if you just doing for one meat, you can put back the meat right now on it. So guys, that's the sauce, that's gonna be the sauce, that's the meat here, and you're just gonna mix the meat and the sauce, and that will start to look very yummy.
Papa, j'ai envie de mélanger. Je fais quoi? Je mélange?
That's 9 minutes we made?
Papa, je mélange?
Oui. Okay, so I think you're right.
Babe put the meat on the plate.
Mama.
Now he's gonna put the sauce on. So babe finished the sauce, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good with the mushroom and the sauce. So now what he's gonna do is put the sauce over the meat like that. All right, like that. Like that, Tyler. I'm gonna put just a little bit of mushroom. It doesn't mean that you have to eat it, okay?
Okay, you're going to put just a little bit.
Yeah. And I know baby love this sauce, so I'm gonna put a lot of sauce on Mr. Delaveaus plate.
That looks yummy.
Yes, to go on with something, babe. You're going with yourself, though. Alright, so that's babe plate. This is Sarah's plate. That's mama plate and this Tyler plate. Now let me go and eat and give you the review. The review. Oi! Time to eat. Alright, Tyler, you first. Give it a grade. Let me see what you have to say to Papa. I'm gonna taste. What should I taste first? Taste the meat itself first. Alright, the meat itself, cooking is on point. Melt, 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 melt. Now I'm gonna taste it with the sauce. Alright, it's good. Now let me taste the mushroom. It's good.
That's good.
I can eat this all day, and I'm not a fan of mushroom. Is it what you expected or no?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe just the cream a little bit.
It tastes good with the cream for me. A little bit what? More flavor. But it's okay for me, to be honest.
But no, it tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes very good.
What you have to say, Tyre? Sarah eat up all the meat.
It's good, Ty.
You like it?
I like it, but the mushroom I don't like. But I didn't even taste it.
You didn't test it and you say you don't like it.
I told you, you always have to taste something first.
Let me taste the mushroom.
Tyler, you have too much meat in your plate. How is the mushroom?
I like it.
You like the mushroom?
Yes, so before when I didn't taste the mushroom, I was like it was an A+, but for now, Papa,
Yes, I am.
it's super good.
Thank you.
It really is. I'm not going to even front because the camera is here. It tastes
A+++.
good.
Thank you, Tyler. Well, at least she can say that I'm never in the kitchen once a month.
Well, at least if I'm sick, I can request this. No? I'm sure that it will turn out good. It tastes good, honey. I must say, it turned out good.
Thank you.
But I still don't remember us making this years back.
If you not try
It's a sauce for me though. Shot. The sauce? Shot.
the only thing we have
Yes, I mean when I say that?
that is good.
It honestly turned out good. And all three combination, I mean the sauce, the mushroom and the meat together, it tastes good.
Thank you.
Well done, chef. Chef D, them can't talk to you, I know the babe. You're gonna lead.
Mama, if I didn't like it, if I don't,
The sauce.
if I didn't like it, it was, I did, but like, I love it, is a A plus, plus, plus.
The sauce is shot, man. It tastes good, and it would also go very good with rice. Some coconut rice with the cream. Oh my god. Right? Look on yourself.
Thank you.
It's a A for me. The sauce are finished.
The bonfire.
The pot. Taking the kids outside for a little stroll and fresh air. Look at them. Dog vomit. Nasty people, they won't creep up them what them dog do. Disgusting. Exactly. It's cold. Actually. Look at her. Which one? Look at her. She gone to pick flowers. Sarah, come. Look at the sunset, you guys. Beautiful. Don't put it in your mouth. Come here.
It's quiet.
It's always quiet. Sarah, don't put it in your mouth. Look at her little feet. Hey! Sarah! Sarah! Jump, jump! Jump, jump!
Mama,
Babe enjoying the sunset. Huh?
Can I touch the floor?
No. The ground, not the floor. Sarah, don't put it in your mouth. Give it to Mama. Please? It's a little bit chilly out.
Is it good? You remember when
But
after
fresh
dinner
air.
we always go walking?
That's before we had Tyler and Sarah.
Yeah.
Every day.
When
Look
we
at
have
the
Tyler, we
sunset.
used to do it when he was in the stroller.
That's true. Look at my nose, how it's red. Jesus.
Yeah, puppy.
My God. That's how much I've been sneezing and scratching my nose all day today.
Tyler.
It's not a good feeling. And Tyler gonna make me start sneezing again with this. Tyler, stop doing this. Oh my God, Steve. Tyler, take your time. You want to run and jump in this right here. Watch him.
When
Yes.
let's do just let
No, no, no. It's you looking for Papa, not me. I'm not helping you. No, I'm not helping you. Go, go, go. Tell and Papa playing hide and seek. Find him. Hey, tell her find him. Run, Sarah, run! Get Tyler, Sarah. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Go get him, Sarah. Go get him. Oh, she cheated. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Get him, Sarah. On your mark, get set, go. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah. Run. Run, Sarah. Keep running.
Sarah,
We just spontaneously stop at the bike station. Go on.